do the peace sign and helps you to decide how far a distance the eyes will be set out, and then from there the peace sign to the nose. So for the eyes, I feel like this is about where they're going to be, and what I will do is basically put me a dot in those two spots, and I'm going to make these oval as best I can. So I'm going to go ahead and color that black in just on one side, and it's just a triangle. Think of corn candy whenever you make your little triangle. It's kind of rounded, but it's more of a broad. And then for his eyebrows, just make a little mark. And so far that's looking pretty good. He has this really charming, adorable little smile. And you can make it crooked or you can make it up down. Think of the eyes, the width of the eyes are just beyond. Create a mark to draw to. And I'm just doing an angle on those. And then once you make that line, be continuous with it as best you can. So you can kind of come out and maybe down and then up. And you can put the stitches on there if you wanted to, but I think I'm going to leave mine really, really whimsical. I'll see if I can get this nose colored in. And right here in this area that I left blank is where I want that white to be, on that outside there. And so far so good. Now, on this side of the black, we're just going to make a little dash. Same over here, just a little dash, just to put some light in his eyes. Now, I used the black marker to make his little lines down here in his eyelashes. I'm going to try it because we've used the paint markers, and to kind of give his eyes a little more to them, I want to kind of make a line, just a round line out like this. This is kind of his eyelashes, as though he's squinting. I don't know how well they're going to show up. And then on this side the same way, kind of down, and then this one kind of down, just like he's cheeks, like he's smiling with his eyes, and then some little lashes going out here. It's just hard to get it to show up on the fleece. And then put some stitches on the outside of his nose, and that's just little black marks going around. And I'm not quite content with his smile, so I'm going to put some curves on the edges. That way it looks like he's smiling, because I want him happy.